So many people have the dream of living in Bend, or they live in Bend and want the dream of being close to everything. I've got that for you. Ann Willis at Remax Key Properties. And today, I can't turn the phone around very well. I am doing an open house until 2 o'clock at a property in Northwest Bend. It's 1434 Northwest Cumberland. The cross street is Century Drive or 14th Street. So if you're coming down from the mountain, I'll be here till 2, and I would love it if you stopped by. It is brand new construction. It's smaller living. It has 2 units. So the first unit that I'm in right now is a 2-bedroom, and it's 800 square feet. They've really maximized the space. There's a bedroom with a bathroom on the first floor when you come in, and then I am upstairs, which also has another bedroom down this hall, and hopefully you can see this great balcony. Those doors actually open up all the way, and then the second unit on this property is behind, and it's a 400 square foot studio with a regular size kitchen, regular size bathroom. Also has a private balcony that looks onto the alley. So it's 2 units on this, corner of fun in Bend for $39,900. You can't find an old dumpy, for lack of better, mill house for under $600 over here. And this is brand new construction, and it's really lock and go. So you could have a second home here that's giving you additional income with that ADU, or if you want an artist studio, or you want a hobby space, or a guest spot, it has that as well. So there's so many possibilities. It's, truly one of the best locations in Bend, close to downtown. And I would love to show it to you. So please stop by. And if you can't stop by, call me and I'll give you a private showing. The address again is 1434 Northwest Cumberland. And I'm Ann Willis at Remax, and my number is 541-948-5643. Thanks.